Please step forward and look into the camera.
Yo, you already know what time it is. Come on in. It's time for another reaction video. This is my channel, Blasting Off with X. I am your boy, Xavier. Thank you guys for joining me here for another video, as always. Before we jump into it, you already know the routine. Go ahead and thumbs up this video as well as subscribe to my channel. Today, guys, we are back with another Prince reaction video. Yes, the purple one, the legendary, the iconic. So yes, this was a suggestion from a commenter on a previous Prince reaction video, and their name is Fallen Orca. Cool name, by the way. They said, love the reaction. I recommend you to react to Prince, Violet the Organ Grinder. That sounds terrible. That is what we're reacting to on today. Prince and a New Power Generation, Violet the Organ Grinder, the official music video. If you're seeing this, we did not get blocked, so cheers to that. And of course, guys, with the help of my handy dandy unicorn headphones, let's jump into it. Okay, so first of all, I'm stopping right there, guys. This is, I don't know what to say like that. So Violet, the organ grinder, like, is that like an alternate ego aside of Prince? I don't know. Sorry if I'm ignorant. Do not throw tomatoes at me. I'm literally like questioning this. And then it's like, he's like, hey, I'm here to grind the organs of the lonely. I think that's what he was saying, the lonely. And he was like, I can unalive myself, but I never go away. So sounds like he's hunting somebody. I don't know. Kind of scary, Prince, but okay. Yeah, let's jump back into it.
Another room and an image of you sweetly appeared in the mirror. Perhaps you recall you and I were neatly in the middle of a crystal ball, and it now serves as a reminder on the wall of you and I, the organ grinder.
I like the beat.
Greatest concert of them all. I, Violet, the organ grinder, and I grind all day. For the organ. Did you know that I still have your stockings? I keep them in a drawer next to your brassiere. Come hither, my sweet, lend me your attention. Come hither, lend me your ear. I do believe my piano was stolen. I do believe that you want me near. Well, I can deal with a sucker if he's in your mouth, but I can't deal with insincere. I'm the
Okay, so yes, guys, as I was listening to it, I'm realizing that I'm hearing, because you know, a while back I reacted to his Get Off performance on, I think, like the 1991 VMAs or something like that. I am hearing that same, like, voice in the background. And then not only that, I do recall that that same voice was like, the scream or whatnot was in the beginning of this video. So was that like his signature on that album or something like that? I don't know. Maybe I should do a little bit of research, because I mean, this is why I react to these things, because I don't know everything about, you know, the greats that blessed us with, you know, their musical genius and whatnot. So yes, this is why I do reactions, because it's also a learning experience for me. And I know y'all always gonna get me together in the comments, so y'all will. Y'all be like, look, this is what happened here, this is what happened then, and this connects to this, and yeah, so y'all always screw me. So I appreciate that. The Prince fans have been very nice to me on my channel. I love y'all. Okay, but yes, here we go.
You love me, no matter what you say. Swear you don't miss the organ grinder, grinding on you every day. pictures you gave me, and I placed them right under my bed. And I pumped, till the gas of my just jumped from my feet to the top of my head. Oh boy, I'm fired. The organ grinder.
Rich, you freak! My God! Well, I know what organ grinder means now. Come on.
Like a puppy, I lift your devotion. From your neck, from your eyes, from your ears. When you cry, I became your emotion. And if you ever cry like that again, I'll be here.
Okay, guys, so I'm stopping it here for the last time. Okay, so, yes, Prince, this is nothing new. Like, this man was, he was a freak. He was a freak, and I do mean that, like, in a, like, freaky, sexy way. I don't mean, like, the other type of freak, because, like, but he literally, like, kicked down doors, and, I mean, he gave freaky, like, different meanings. Like, his mind, that's all I can say, his mind, and the things that he said, like, as you can see, I'm just over here shooketh. Like, I'm just registering everything, like, oh, so this is what he means by, oh, okay, oh, you nasty, okay, yes, but, this is Prince, this is Prince, he got away, he was the only one that can get away with certain things, and, you know, just from the outfits, like, this man, like, his sex appeal, on a whole nother level. Like, there would never be another, like, Prince. And yes, but yes, I also know, like, in different stages of his career, the new power generation and, wasn't there, like, revolution and stuff like that? Was it the same group of people? Or, like, did they change their name, or was it different sets of peoples? Because I know at one point in time, Prince was going by a symbol. Like, the symbol that he has, like, his guitar and stuff like that. So he went through many changes. Many changes. And not too many people could have gotten away with that. But Prince. Here we go. Let's finish this thing on out. I'm not gonna front. It's very catchy. Oh, I love the instrument. Sound good. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Prince and the new power generation. Violet, the organ grinder. Prince, you're nasty, baby, and I love it. But yes, overall, guys, video was very sexy, exotic. As you can see, they were in the cage, and I mean, do I need to say more? Prince sounded amazing. Not too many people can, like, rock a curly kit and look sexy with it. That's why I said Prince. The one and only. Yes, not only that, guys, I paid attention to the way that he was, like, singing in the song or whatnot. It kind of reminded me of, like, you know, the old school rap back in, like, the 80s or whatnot. It kind of took me back to that type of flow. But overall, I really enjoyed it. It was very entertaining. As you can see, I was, like, drawn into it and kind of shook us. Alright guys, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your views. Thank you so much for joining me here for another video as always. Before we leave, go ahead and thumbs up this video as well as subscribe to my channel. As always, this is your boy Xavier signing out.